Right. So this call is pretty much going to be, I haven't even thought of an introduction to be honest, bro. But obviously this is one of my students for everyone watching. He took the mentorship program. So yeah, if you want to, introduce yourself, tell us a bit about what you do before we go into the call.
Yeah, man. So my name's O'Neill. I'm from Southeast London. Before I was doing just landscaping, a bit of grafting every now and again, just like whatever I could get my hands on to make some money, really, but not really online because I didn't really understand how to do like online businesses. So yeah, I was just doing landscaping and things like that, man.
Nice, nice, nice. So where did you start out? Like, did you start out from, zero, never having done OnlyFans before? Or did you like sort of already have some experience with OnlyFans? Did you maybe have some models? Like how, tell me a bit about that.
Bro, I started from zero. Like I had no experience with the platform whatsoever, no experience with OnlyFans whatsoever. Like even when I was trying to get familiar with it, I couldn't really understand it by myself. So yeah.
Yeah, that's sick. That's sick. So, just getting into it right at the start,
Yeah.
how much money have you made so far and over what sort of time period? And are you able to like sort of share your screen to show the people watching that like this program's legit and that you've made some good money with it?
Yeah, sure, man. Let me just get that out for you.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
All right. So sharing. Can you see it? Yeah. Cool, cool. So let me just go to the statistics. So, like, literally, I've not done this business before. I had no experience with the platform whatsoever. Um, I took on my first client like on the 13th of January. So I've been working with her for like half a month.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And yeah,
Shit.
literally this is it, man. Like you can see her before she was working with me, like she was doing like $31, $10, $62. Even seemed like she gave up,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the most she earned in a month was about 3 grand. And then since
Yeah.
she came on with me in January, she's earned 9,769.
That's crazy.
Yeah, bro, literally.
That's mad. I'm excited to see what you're actually gonna do with this model. Like the
Yeah,
fact that you said you've been working with it what since the 13th and she's already nearly top 1%.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
it's
Literally,
crazy.
she's the top 1.2% in what half a month. You know what I mean? When we first got the account, it was on the 80% of creators. She was on the top 80%.
What the fuck? That's mad.
Yeah,
That's crazy. That's awesome to see.
yeah.
So was there anything in particular about my sort of program that sort of helped you and like what was like the most effective thing you would say?
You know what it was, yeah? It's the fact that there's so many other people in a group, like all aiming towards the same
Yeah.
thing. So it's like you can bounce off of each other, share ideas with each other, and there's obviously that friendly competition as well to like keep going, keep going, keep going. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. That's
Yeah,
definitely something that I like. I think I said that to everyone when I first did the group. I was like, this group is gonna be crazy because like
yeah,
it's like it's not just like those other programs. Like for example, I'll just use like Hustlers University as an example, where you have like 300,000 people in the Discord and you can't even get a word in edge. Like
exactly.
15 people is like it just seems like the perfect mix where everyone can converse, everyone's like sort of friendly competition, like you said.
Yeah,
And
man.
it just makes like a healthy business environment. It's just awesome to see.
Definitely. And also like even if we have questions, you and Adam and Jack have been amazing just to like answer our questions straight away. You don't
Yeah.
leave us aired, nothing like it's good, man. Yeah.
Yeah. So why did you choose my program specifically over like any other program that's in this space right now? I know there's not a lot out there, but obviously there is other programs. Why particularly did you choose my program?
If I'm frankly honest, is I didn't even know this was a business model. Do you know what I mean? I didn't even know
Yeah.
nothing about this. I saw your come up. I was so inspired. I was like, yeah, this is the guy. I have to come straight to him.
I appreciate
I ever reached out to you. I was like, bro, do you have a course? Do you have a course? I was
it.
badgering you because at the time you weren't even ready, you know?
Yeah, no, I know that's the thing. Like, I didn't even originally plan on doing anything. Like, I never planned on, like, obviously, I haven't got a course, I got mentorship, but I didn't plan on doing it. But then I had so many people like hitting me up every single day, like, can you please do a course or can you please do mentorship? And I was like, fuck it, let's just take a test group on first,
Yeah.
see it, like, like you said, teach everyone, see what the type of results they get. And so far in the group, like, everyone's obviously killing it, like, more than I could have imagined, to be fair. Like,
Yeah.
I knew what like what we have done is a proven business model. We make money, but obviously I wanted to make sure like if I can teach it, is it replicatable success? Are other people going to start making money with it? And obviously, there's already a lot of you guys in the group that are fucking killing it. Like literally
bro,
like four,
bro. Like even some other guys in the group are making like 20 grand. So,
fuck,
like it's
crazy.
mad. It's mad.
So how would you say like your life has changed, not drastically, obviously, you've literally been doing it for 6 weeks, but how would you say it's like changed after achieving like the sort of outcome you've achieved? Like, did you expect to be making this much money this fast?
Not
And
to,
then how do you see it changing like in the future?
bro. It's just opened up my eyes to what's possible, innit? Like I don't put money on no pedestal, and I just see like anything's achievable now because literally I'm working from my computer. Like I can go anywhere and still make money. Whereas before I had to go to someone's garden, cut the grass, put the rubbish, and then get my money at the end. And it's even hit and miss if they're gonna pay because you know what I mean? But
Yeah,
this is like,
exactly.
you
Yeah,
know what I mean?
yep, yep, yep. Yeah, so where do you think you'd be if you didn't take the mentoring program right now? Like, what do where would you be at?
Bro, I'll still be cutting grass, bro. Like,
So you've been able to like sort of just fully go all in on this business model and
bro,
just
I dropped everything. I'm like, you know what? This is all I'm focusing on. I'm riding this thing to M's. That's where I'm going with this, man.
that's
Yeah.
sick, that's sick. And if there's somebody watching this right now who's like sort of on the fence about joining mentoring or spending a £1,000,
Yeah.
what would you sort of say to them?
Now I'm gonna be real, yeah. Anyone can do this business. Absolutely anyone. Like from my personal experience, yeah, I didn't even take school seriously. Like I've only had like probably 2 ICT lessons in my life.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
know what I mean? Like, and to get my head around this computer business and then do it and make money from it, and like that means that anyone could do it. Absolutely anybody.
It's right.
Yeah.
I think it's all about, like I said in the group, like as long as you apply yourself to this business model, like you said, anyone can make money. It's not that difficult compared to
Not
a lot of other business models out there. Like I've always been someone like I prefer to be like where the easier money is. Like it doesn't make sense to do, something just for example, like not to shit on drop shipping, but drop shipping works. It's a good business model, but like I'd rather be where the easier money is with OnlyFans rather than like learning all these like super crazy skills and putting in a lot of money. Because that's another thing about the business. Like, how much money would you say you've actually invested into this business so far?
Bro, well, I didn't have a computer, so I bought a laptop obviously the mentorship program, and what 4 iPhone 7s.
Yeah.
Not less than £2,000, bro.
Yeah, it's like a low startup cost business.
Yeah,
Obviously, the necessities, like you said, a laptop or a computer, that's all
yeah,
you really need. And like you can, like I said, you can make money. And obviously, you've literally 10x the amount of money you've invested pretty much already, which
literally, bro.
is just crazy.
Yeah,
And it's just mad to see. But yeah, it is crazy, and it's just sick to see everyone doing so well as well.
I'm excited. I'm excited. And to see that, I always think about where I'm taking this, and it just always fires me up, man.
Is it 50% you're on with this school as well? Yeah.
Yeah, 50% I'm on it for, yeah.
That's sick. That's sick. But yeah, that's thanks for the time on the call today.
Bro,
Obviously keep in contact. Obviously, we're still in the group and everything.
yeah, yeah,
Keep smashing it. And I'd love to get you on another like sort of call later on down the line when you're doing like
yeah,
100K a month.
yeah, definitely.
200K a month. Like it'd be sick to see. And obviously the way you're going, you're definitely on track to be doing that within the next year
100%.
easily. So
Mhm.
yeah, just keep crushing it. And this is
Hey,
obviously
Dylan, man, thank you, bro. Like, bro, without you and your team, it wouldn't be possible, bro. This has opened my eyes so much, bro. Literally.
glad. I'm honestly glad, man. It makes me happy to see everyone doing so well, especially you doing well. It's awesome to see. It's the most rewarding thing as well.
Love, respect, man. Yeah.
So, guys, yeah, that's it for this video today. Obviously, O'Neill, appreciate you taking the time out of your day to jump on this call with me. And guys, if anyone wants like any advice, obviously O'Neill is also knows what he's doing. Obviously, he's well versed in his business. He's got all the knowledge now. So I'll leave links in the description if you want to hit him up. Obviously, feel free to hit him up. And obviously, if there's anyone looking to join his agency, anyone watching this, models, etc., obviously, this guy is obviously the GOAT, fucking taking girls from 0 to 10K in like 15 days. So
Yeah.
obviously, this guy knows what he's doing. So I'll leave all the links to his socials in the description. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.